Simplify the expression. Assume that all variables represent positive real numbers. 16/25 raised to the -3/2 power. By the power rule, we can rewrite this as 16 to the -3/2 power divided by 25 to the -3/2 power. We can then use rules for negative exponents to rewrite this as 25 to the +3/2 divided by 16 to the +3/2. We can then use the rules for fractional exponents. In the numerator, we have the square root of 25 cubed, and in the denominator, we have the square root of 16 cubed. Evaluating the square roots, we have 5 cubed divided by 4 cubed, which is equal to 125 divided by 64.